We're back. Okay, so we're with this leaf thingy.
Possibly a bird's mother. Go. Because I read that last time. Pete, I have been waiting for you.
Really?
Yes, so. You see, your sister wants me to tell you she's fine. Yes, I saw her playing with my son, Gumboysa, this morning. You gotta read it out loud.
Oh, but I thought she was in my dad's secret basement.
Nope, she's just dandy. So stop what you're doing forever and go play Gumboysa ball with my son, Gumboysa.
Okay.
Whatever you do, don't ring the doorbell. It's, bad luck. Right along, sweetums. Sweetums.
Creepy.
Yep. That woman is a straight-up liar.
Okay.
Listen to your bird, Pete.
Way.
How'd you went that way?
I
You went
don't
right.
know.
And then you ended up left.
I don't know.
What if that is your sister playing that?
Most likely is.
I mean, it kind of does look like a girl.
I want to know
It's a beautiful song.
where the freaking doorbell is.
You might have already passed it. Maybe. Oh, actually, maybe not. Because they're all giving us warnings about it.
Yeah, I want to break this thing. This is my attempt. Just jumping on it. Dang it. Yeah. No. What? Ah. Stop. Make it. Don't worry, sis. I'll get you out.
If that is her anyway.
Most likely is. Gosh, it's what I knew before.
I'm the one who suggested it, but I was going to like the picture woman.
I believe it's her.
I believe.
Do you believe?
I do believe in love after
love.
Something.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
I got shot by the FBI.
All I wanted was a chicken wings,
but they didn't have a Mad Burger King. That was a song created by one of our friends who we haven't seen in a while.
A long while.
But apparently my mom saw her like last year at a store.
Ooh,
and I was so jealous.
Yeah. Tree.
It's
a pink
tree.
Can you let me go?
You fat fuck.
You major fat mother.
Ferber.
Yeah, why won't you let us pass? What are we supposed to do? She's too fat and ugly.
She's too fat and ugly?
Yes, that's
really nice.
Never said I had to be nice.
I did.
What?
Greg? What?
What the heck was that?
I don't even know.
This is confusing. I don't tell you shit, but when I do, it's obvious. I don't know why that popped into my head.
But I had drink. I have jelly beans. Second shelf. Or first shelf. Whichever one you want to say. There's ice cream in there and regular flavors. Ice cream is pretty good, and at least one of them is. Oh, you're making me hungry. What? Yeah.
That one didn't taste bad.
Which one did you get?
The pink one.
Yeah.
Orange is okay.
Mm-hmm. I got at least one chocolate one in there. I tried it. I didn't really like it. And then there's mint chocolate one, which is like the light green one. Personally, I like the pink one.
Pink one's good.
Mm-hmm.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Some frogs, motherfucker.
Oh.
I know.
Oh, that tastes terrible.
Why don't you try chocolate? Maybe you'll like it.
Oh, another bad one.
I think you got the, did you get this one?
No.
Yeah.
Let us pass you, bitch. Well,
Hang on.
fine. I'll just...
This might be the secret password. No. Frozen.
I haven't seen Frozen.
Well, everyone knows that. Knock. And do you want to kill some Titans? That's right after that.
Oh. Do you want us? Let us pass. That really made no sense.
We know. Let's open. Open sesame.
Let us pass, you big giant bitch. I'll
Is it-
kill you.
That's your new name, BTB. Trust chocolate.
No.
Yeah.
Too much artificial flavor.
Yeah.
There's a lot of green.
I like the green.
I feel like this is gonna kill me.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Right? I'm so glad I got a lot of green. There's a dark pink one in here. I'm gonna try it. Well. I'm okay. Some foods affect my breathing. I'm alive.
Ooh, there's a purple one.
Personally, I don't like purple one.
Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy.
There are like a lot of bad flavors, so we were at the like fresh market the other day. I got taffy too, but I ate it all.
I hate you. Let's go back. D-E-B-A-B. B-A-B.
Not B-R-B-A-B-A-B. No, not.
Hey, at least we'll get back faster.
Yeah, we will. We probably would have ended up there anyway, so.
Okay. Let's go play this song on the piano.
If we can get past it.
Look at its inside.
Okay, here we go. That means it's the end of the episode.
See you next time. Next time we're gonna be shot out through the worm's butt.
Yeah.